everywhere. Everywhere. Even the roads, man. Look at that. Crazy. And here I am just hanging out in the freaking water like I'm in a boat, man. Oh, nuts. So just to give a quick summary here. I was on my way home, attempted to get home. Every single road to my house was flooded out. And the final thing I tried to do was go to the highway. Didn't make it. Car stalled out, got too flooded, died. So currently I am stuck on the highway. And I've already called emergency services. They have advised me to stay in my vehicle and they will get to me as priority suggests. Currently, my car is not flooding out with water from underneath, so I am not the biggest priority right now. So just want to say, hopefully everybody else is getting home safe. Everybody else is doing all right, not running into this problem. So, I mean, I can't really do too much unless I just want to get out and walk home, but I can't really leave my car here in the highway for it to just get swept away and hit somebody else's. So, I mean, I can't really do anything about that anyway if that's what ended up happening. But, yeah, so unless the situation gets worse than it already is, I unfortunately am stuck in the middle of the highway until either a tow truck can pull me out or emergency services can get me out somehow. But, well, until then, I'm kind of stuck here. So just, hey, as long as everybody else is doing all right, then we're doing all right. I mean, I'm gonna sit here and do what I gotta do. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So they did finally manage. ADOT was able to come out, as well as the highway patrol and the state troopers. They were able to come out and they finally were able to get me off the road. But as it looks, they were unable to be gentle with the vehicle because we had to get it off the highway as soon as possible. So unfortunately, it does look like the car is pretty inoperable right now. I mean, luckily, so far, as far as any kind of damage that I can see, it looks like it's some superficial damage on the front from them having to pull it. But as far as the engine itself, it was flooded out, it stalled out, died, and now that I have a chance to actually inspect it a little bit, yeah, I can smell some what smells to me like burning wire. So, yeah, I'm pretty sure the car is going to be out of commission for a little while. So, definitely going to be hoofing it for the next few days. Well, so, just a quick update for everybody. I did finally manage to get some assistance from local law enforcement and ADOT. There was an ADOT guy that came by as well. He was able to hook the car up and pull it off to the side of the road. Unfortunately, the front fender got ripped off. I mean, not ripped all the way off. It is just kind of hanging there right now, but it's some pretty significant damage. Currently looks superficial, so I mean, we'll cross that bridge as we come along. But the more concerning part of it being that the engine was stalled out. So, with any luck, we'll try to run it tomorrow, see if it works. If it starts, great. If not, well, then we're gonna have to look at another solution for that. But just would like to say thank you to those who tried to help me out, and just to let everybody know that I was able to get out of the road. So the car has been safely pulled over to the side of the road. It is locked up, so it is safe and secure where it is currently at. So now I am home with the family. Everybody's happy to see me. They all think I'm an idiot because I tried to go that way anyway, but if I could have gone any other way, I would have. But aside from that, we'll just have to wait until tomorrow to see what we can do about the car and if we can get it back home, or if the car is boned and we got to do something else with it.